Hi, today we're gonna cook some pork rib in the air fryer. Easy, tasty. First we're gonna make a marinade, then go wash the meat, okay? So let's make the marinade. Okay, so we put some mushroom seasoning. For a big piece of pork, we put in 1, 2 tablespoons. After that, we're gonna put in a tablespoon of onion powder. After that, we put in a tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now we're going to put oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. So mix everything together. This is going to be your pork marinade. Add to this 2 tablespoons of milk, 2% milk, half lemon. Good. This sauce is all natural ingredients. So this is the mix that you can also taste the mix to make sure they're good. So we want to put in about 2 tablespoons of molasses. The molasses to make it more sweet and more color into your air fryer pork. Now it is perfect, just like what you like in here. Now we are going to wash the pork in salt and vinegar. Dab some water of it so it not thin out the mixture too much. Now we are going to mix the marinade really good and then put them right on the pan here. And then put all of these sauce that you see right here on top of it. Rub it on top. We're gonna put it into the air fryer. 20 minutes. So it's about 5 minutes left. 15 minutes already. We're going to take this and look how good that is. We're gonna turn it around. We're going to put the rest of the sauce on top, brush it on top. And cook 5 more minutes to brown. Now, 20 minutes total, we check on our meat. Look how pretty that is. All brown and nice. Okay, serve it with some baby arugula. Air fried pork rib, baby arugula. Hope you enjoy the recipe.